Welcome back to New Car Updates, the channel where we bring you the latest, most exclusive insights into the future of automotive design, technology, and innovation. Today we are diving into something truly extraordinary, something that combines the prestige of one of the world's most iconic luxury car brands with the freedom and adventure of life on the road. We are talking about the all-new 2026 Audi Motorhome, a masterpiece that has been called the most luxurious rolling five-star hotel. Imagine taking the refinement of an Audi sedan, the cutting-edge technology of their flagship SUVs, and the ultimate in travel comfort, and blending it all into a motorhome that redefines what it means to live and travel in style. This isn't just another RV, this is Audi's bold statement about the future of mobile luxury living. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Audi Motorhome, you can see this is no ordinary vehicle. The sleek design language, sharp LED lighting, and aerodynamic body styling carry the same DNA that Audi has perfected across their lineup. But here, those elements are scaled up into a larger-than-life vehicle that instantly commands attention on the road. The grille design, the flowing lines, and the imposing stance all give the impression of a futuristic luxury yacht on wheels. Unlike traditional motorhomes that often sacrifice style for practicality, Audi has managed to create a design that feels elegant, premium, and undeniably futuristic. Step inside, and you are transported into a world that feels less like an RV and more like a high-end hotel suite. Audi has gone all in on comfort, luxury, and state-of-the-art features. Plush leather seating, premium wood trims, ambient LED lighting, and panoramic smart windows set the stage for an experience that feels both warm and futuristic. The living space is designed with versatility in mind. A modular lounge area seamlessly transforms into a dining space or a sleeping area, depending on your needs. The motorhome is equipped with a fully functional kitchen featuring smart appliances, an induction cooktop, and even voice-controlled systems to make daily life effortless. And then there's the bedroom area. Calling it a bedroom almost feels too modest. With a queen-size memory foam bed, a large entertainment display, and climate-controlled comfort, this is a space designed to rival the top hotel suites. Audi has clearly understood that luxury travel means being able to bring the feeling of home on the road without compromise. The bathroom is another standout feature, offering a spa-inspired design with rainfall shower, high-end fixtures, and even heated flooring. Of course, being an Audi, the 2026 Motorhome is not just about luxury, it's about technology and performance as well. Under the hood, this motorhome features Audi's next-generation hybrid electric drivetrain, offering both long-range capability and eco-friendly efficiency. With advanced battery packs and regenerative systems, it allows you to travel hundreds of miles with minimal environmental impact, while still delivering the power and performance expected from a brand like Audi. Adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride, no matter the terrain, while Audi's quattro all-wheel drive system gives you the confidence to explore destinations that other luxury vehicles could only dream of reaching. Technology plays a massive role inside this motorhome. A fully integrated digital cockpit spans across the driver's cabin, offering real-time navigation, voice commands, and augmented reality displays for safer driving. Smart home integration allows you to control everything from temperature to lighting through your smartphone or voice assistant. The entertainment system is powered by a 360-degree premium sound setup, giving you a cinema-like experience on the road. High-speed satellite internet ensures that whether you're in the mountains, desert, or deep in the countryside, you're always connected. Safety has also been taken to the next level. Audi has incorporated their latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance, and even semi-autonomous driving capabilities. This means long road trips are not just more comfortable, but also significantly safer. Imagine relaxing while the motorhome handles stretches of the highway with minimal input, letting you enjoy the journey in a whole new way. But perhaps the most impressive part of the 2026 Audi Motorhome is how it makes every journey feel like an experience in itself. Whether you're parking beside a beach, setting up camp in the mountains, or simply cruising along the open road, this motorhome transforms travel into something unforgettable. It's not just transportation, it's a lifestyle upgrade. The panoramic glass roof opens up the cabin to the sky above, letting you stargaze from your living room. The exterior even includes retractable awnings and a side deck extension, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors without compromising on comfort. Audi has always been a brand associated with luxury, performance, and progressive thinking. With the 2026 motorhome, they have managed to extend those values into an entirely new segment, one that is rapidly growing as more people look for freedom, flexibility, and premium experiences on the move. It's a bold move, but one that proves Audi isn't afraid to innovate beyond the traditional automotive world. So, is the 2026 Audi Motorhome the most luxurious rolling 5-star hotel? Absolutely. From design to performance, from technology to comfort, it sets a new benchmark in the world of motorhomes. It's for those who refuse to compromise between adventure and luxury, for those who want to explore the world without ever leaving behind the feeling of being at home. Stay tuned here on New Car Updates, because we will continue to bring you the latest reveals, reviews, and insights into vehicles that are shaping the future of travel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a chance to explore the cars, trucks, and motorhomes that are redefining the automotive world. The 2026 Audi Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a vision of what luxury travel can be, and we're just G.